In Islam, there is a deadline for appointing a new caliph, a new ruler for the Muslims. It's 3 days. When the ruler of the Muslimin dies, we have 3 days to choose the next ruler. It's now March 3rd, 2024. March 3rd, 1924 is when the caliphate was formally abolished by Mustafa Kemal. It has been 100 years. Most people don't even know about this abolishment. Mustafa Kemal, as part of his secularization reforms, abolished the caliphate as well as attacked many aspects of Islam, including the hijab, including the prayers, including the Arabic language. And we've been languishing in disunity and in taghut for the past 100 years. Our parents, our grandparents didn't experience the caliphate. And this status of affairs now, where Muslim blood is open season, as we see in Gaza, has been normalized. This is a shameful state of affairs, and each Muslim must be in deep reflection. We have been robbed of our birthright. The Prophet ﷺ says, وَمَنْ مَاتَ وَلَيْسَ فِي عُنْقِهِ بَيْعَ مَاتَ مَيْتَةً جَاهِلِيَّةً. The one who dies without an oath of allegiance to the caliph on his neck dies a death of pre-Islamic ignorance. We don't have a caliph to give allegiance to. We've been robbed of that. We are citizens of a nation which doesn't exist.